creators. Want to create animated videos without spending a dime? Today, I'm sharing 3 AI tools that will help you create amazing animated content easily and fast. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First up, we have Animaker. This AI-powered platform lets you create professional-looking animations using drag-and-drop features. With pre-built templates, characters, and animations, even beginners can produce high-quality videos in no time. Next, we have Powtoon. Whether you are looking to make explainer videos, presentations, or promotional videos, Powtoon offers an easy-to-use interface with plenty of customizations. Plus, its Create with AI is an amazing feature that helps you create videos efficiently. Finally, we have Render Forest. This all-in-one platform offers a wide range of animation styles from 2D cartoons to animated videos. Render Forest's AI help you quickly generate scripts and visuals so you can focus on storytelling. So whether you are creating for fun or business, these tools are sure to boost your creativity. Try them out and let me know which one you like the best in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for such awesome tools. Thanks for watching.